Welcome. In front of me I've got GARMIN Index S2 Smart Scale. In this video I'll show you how to install batteries. GARMIN Index S2 Smart Scale uses 4 AAA batteries. With 4 AAA batteries, the scale can work up to 9 months. Of course, it depends on the battery's quality and frequency of use. To install batteries, flip the scale over, open this cover and install batteries right here. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.